Hi, little programmers. Today we are going to start the lesson in course 1, lesson number 7 called B sequence. So you can type B sequence course 1. So you'll be getting this one. Click on that. So now we are inside the lesson number 7, B sequence. So once you open this, you will be getting this video. Please click on it and check this video, okay? And in our last class, we were discussing about the maze sequence, in which we were helping the angry bird to reach its target, correct? And this lesson, we are going to help this bee to make honey. So here we have two extra blocks in the toolbox. As you see, these two blocks are new. Get flour and then make honey. So I'm just going to share a link with you which will discuss about the lifestyle of the bees. You know how it collects nectar from the flower and it makes honey in the honey hive. So I will share the link with you. If you are interested, you can check it out. And here we have our play area, and then as usual we have a run block. And in B sequence you have two new blocks, that is get and make, which means whenever you are seeing the flower, you need to use the get option, which means, can you see when I move my cursor on it, it shows get nectar from a flower. I think you can see now. Yes, so when the bee approaches this flower, you need to drag this block and connect with this run. Again, here, make honey from nectar. So when you are gonna reach the target place, or whenever you are reaching this honeycomb, that time you need to make your honey. So in that case, you need to bring this make block inside the workspace. Okay, let me start now. So as you see how we dealt with this angry bird, we need to check the direction and the number of blocks. And today you are going to do two more extra things, that we are going to use the new blocks given here as get and make, and then you need to check this number. See, next to the flower you can see a little number is given. It says 1. The count is 1, which means you need to use one get block in the workspace. Say for example, if it is 2, you need to bring 2 flower, which means 2 times you need to bring the get blocks inside the workspace. So when I start working on it, it will be easy for you. So I want you all to listen carefully. Can you see the bee has to go to its east side, this block, right? So I will use this east. So from here, if bee moves to the next place, to its east side, this one bee is reaching the flower. So it says 1. The count is 1. So get this flower and connect with this block. So I just want to check now. Go and click on the run. Yes. So you need to make the right amount of honey. Reset. Again from here it has to go one more step east side and again east side. So 2 times it has to go east, which means 2 steps. It will be crossing 2 blocks. And then finally the bee will be there in the honeycomb where it needs to make its nectar as honey. So what we need to do, click the make and connect with this. Let me check. So we are done with that. So the puzzle number 1, we are done. So I want you to continue like this one by one till puzzle number 15. As you did it well in the maze sequence, I want you to perform well in this lesson B sequence also. Thank you all.